Magnitude 5.0 earthquake depth 10 kilometers strikes Jamaica region on the 10th of February, 2026. Earthquake subject to change. Jamaica, a Caribbean island nation, has a lush topography of mountains, rainforests, and reef-lined beaches. Many of its all-inclusive resorts are clustered in Montego Bay, with its British-colonial architecture, and Negril, known for its diving and snorkeling sites. Jamaica is famed as the birthplace of reggae music, and its capital Kingston is home to the Bob Marley Museum, dedicated to the famous singer. Earthquake Info Credit, EMSC. Thank you for watching.